Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to integrate GitHub Copilot with Visual Studio step by step. Start with Visual Studio 2022 or newer and the latest updates installed. Ensure you have an active GitHub Copilot subscription or trial available. Prepare a GitHub account with two-factor authentication enabled for security. Install the Visual Studio workload for your language such as Net or C++. Check that your machine meets network and proxy requirements before proceeding. Have your preferred projects open to test Copilot after installation completes. Open Visual Studio and go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions to begin. Search for GitHub Copilot and click Download or Install on the extension entry. Restart Visual Studio when prompted to finalize the extension installation process. After restart, a Copilot pane appears and prompts you to sign in to GitHub. Click Sign In and complete OAuth using your browser and two-factor authentication. Grant the requested permissions to allow Copilot to access your code context securely. Verify the Copilot status icon shows connected before you start accepting suggestions. Open a code file and start typing to receive Copilot inline suggestions automatically. Accept suggestions with Tab or use Alt-Enter for alternative completions as needed. Invoke Copilot explicitly with the Copilot chat or command palette for contextual help. Adjust suggestions frequency and telemetry in Tools options under GitHub Copilot settings. Disable telemetry or limit context if you need stricter privacy controls for code. Use comments to prompt Copilot for functions, tests, or documentation examples quickly. Keep Visual Studio and the Copilot extension updated to maintain compatibility and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.